Good afternoon to all Sierra Leoneans. Me na Alhaji A. Kuruma. I get a quick issue wey I wan pass on. But first, I wan start with my brother Adibayo. Adibayo, I don listen so many of your audios the way you dey attack Kande Yumkela. You don call am all sort of names. You don call am say na criminal. You don call am say na lie man. You don call am say na thief man. You don call am say na fool man. But I just want to tell you this. If your daddy been fool, like Yumkela fool, you know for don pass na that water. If your daddy na been lie man, like Yumkela na lie man, you know for pass na that water. If your daddy na been criminal, like Yumkela na criminal, you know for don pass na that water. If your daddy na been thief man, like Yumkela na thief man, you know for don pass na that water. Instead, you for don sit down as Sierra Leone today, they celebrate say you get somebody like Yumkela. My brother Yumkela na a role model. If you not see him as a role model, and as Kuruma we support, see him as a role model. If you not see him as a role model, Obasanjo na Nigeria see him as a role model. If you not see him as a role model, John Ban Ki-moon see him as a role model. If you not see him as a role model, Professor Lumumba see him as a role model. My brother APC and SLPP for good 58 years, they don't rule in that country. For good 58 years, we don't get better road in that country. For good 58 years, we don't get better education in that country. For good 58 years, people they sleep angry in that country. For good 58 years, better medication in that country. For good 58 years, belle woman and pikin die in that country, they pass all other side. My brother, then the issues and then the way we for discuss. Yeah? Not for the talk about light and water again in that country. Niger na a poor country, na a desert. Not a single day then go shut in light na Niger. Sierra Leone, you say we get minerals, we get forest. Every year people go cry about light and water. These na issues the way we for the discuss, we for the talk about, not to for handle, for the always go na media, the cause can they call Yumkela. Can they call Yumkela na a role model, my brother. You see the fool you get na inherited one. It's like way somebody inherit something. Because anything way you inherit, yeah, you need to make better use of her. You need to misuse the media, my brother. You need to misuse the media. Talk about something at the country, issues where they affect the country. We don't see an Kuruma government. We see how an loot that country. They sit down, they buy big motorcar, they build houses there. We see that facility where they enjoy so. Me and you two with daddy then get the same right for enjoy. Me and you two with daddy get right for drive them kind of motorcar there. But just because out of selfishness and poor governance, people they suffer. We then come with evil in that country, people die. We they see all them things then they with the left there, we know they discuss them. Now just Yumkela in the attack. Of course, of what happened yesterday by election and World 210. Madam be some of we not surprised. We not surprised the kind of somebody where you be where they elect you as president. Yeah? Because we be don't say you're a criminal. Of course we know say you're a thief man, you don't look that country they once, you don't go to Ghana, you don't pay taxes then in Ghana. You don't do all kind of things in that country there. Then we still can people that elect you again in that country. So whatever thing happen in that country, some of we not surprised. Not to be surprising to we at all or not. You come and say they come out a new direction. But we still don't know with destination it. And can I surprise you people? With destination are failing. Yeah? We still get for fail. That new direction they fail that country there. For 58 years, we don't see APC and SLPP, they go to that country, ups and downs, now interchange. Yeah. Mother, you know, get anything where you go do to the past governance, because you know, see when back left that country, there, APC go come and we don't can get for Aska. Then can feel like you come and say they make a better change, the Anti-Corruption Commission. Yeah, one day I see them say they're among the 100 influential youth money. Of course, congratulations, that's a good one. But now for put that into practice, my brother. You know why I make the tell you be all learn teachers and people vex by you? Now because of who say you starter. You know go tell we say APC then come out power one person not thief. We see Pakistan, the new government we can, then former president are 7 years in a prison. We don't see all other side the way corruption in there. For say we not get one panel past politicians inside the APC government we corrupt. Till now we never see nobody we all. Yeah, they say anti-corruption. You go all poor teachers there. People go against you because of who say you starter. If not any of them politicians, then like Anes Kuma be in a prison today, people for don't celebrate you. Or any other minister in a prison today, people for celebrate you. But we still know the secret. You won't do it. Because we know say, and you know say, we you back get for left as anti-corruption commissioner, APC Kamsai, and get for do the same thing to you. They don't make an baton, APC and SLPP. Madam, you don't can afford travel no more. You go with the country money every day. You need to come with. Every day they go with the country money. You need to come with. If they check inside the year how many times you don't travel, all that money the way you don't care go. If you been taken by hospital beds and self put an account for them better. Go na emergency 4-5 picking in the Lona one mattress. This is the certain, my brother. The issues and the issues the way for the talk about you.